entering the app, users are welcome with the option to either log into an existing account or to create a new one. Selecting the login options takes them directly to their profile, while creating an account initiates the onboarding sequence. The onboarding sequence consists of 4 screens. A welcome screen, the ability to scan a QR code to automatically link their profile, which can be found on their desktop account. If the code doesn't scan, they can manually enter it or skip this step. Then they have an agreement to private policies and terms and conditions, a standard feature in most apps which adds realism to my design, and the final screen, an option to enable or disable notifications. Once completing the onboarding sequence and logging into the app, the user is presented with a dashboard. At the top of the dashboard are 2 widgets, one with a countdown to completion date and the other with a progress bar so customers can see how close their house is to being finished. Below that is a simple overview of their purchased home, showing an image, the name of the home, the number of bathrooms and bedrooms. Users can explore more detailed information in another section of the app. Following this is a to-do list that includes all important administrative tasks the customer needs to complete. Or, as tasks are completed, a green checkbox appears next to them to indicate completion. At the bottom of the dashboard is a small document section where the users can access important paperwork sent by Wardell Homes. Next on the menu is My Home. At the top of the My Home page is the same imagery of the house, the name, the bedrooms and bathrooms as on the dashboard, and this follows with ground floor plans and first floor plans. They can visit this more in depth on the website, and there is a link to the website that's highlighted in green. Beneath that is the design studio where it shows the kitchen, utility and lounge room. Again, it is provided with a link through the green text to the dashboard. Next on the menu is the most important part of the app, the 3D and AR view. Upon selecting this function on the menu, they are presented with a screen where they can use their camera to scan the QR code, or if it does not work, they can enter the code manually, just like on the onboarding sequence. Once they've scanned their QR code, it will take them to the AR view of their home. This will be the replica of the home that they've purchased so that they can view it in AR mode or 3D mode, which again is the selling point of Wardell Homes and is showing how emerging technology can be used within the real estate sector. The next feature of the app is the chat feature. The chat feature of the app allows users and customers to keep in contact with their agents, where they can ask them questions or receive updates. This feature is really important for the business regarding customer service. It provides them with an easy access to contact their agent, and it's just much easier for the customer. The final function on the menu is the settings. When entering the settings page of the app, they are presented with their profile at the top and the option to add other users to the account. This function is there for those who have bought homes with somebody else and they want to add them to the same account so they can also view the progress and have the chat options. Beneath that is the availability to edit name, change the password and change contact number. They also have the option to turn off their notifications or even enter dark mode. I made sure the design worked in dark mode also, since a lot of mobile phones these days have both the option for light mode and dark mode. So I created a dark mode to give you a preview of how it would look